Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm now in the Crowne Plaza Milan Malpensa Airport in Italy. This hotel is very near to the airport. This is the view from the entrance door. At the left side is the place where you can put your clothes, but without the door. It's my luggage. Several compartments here. At the right side is the bathroom. Okay, now we're going to enter the bathroom. It's the hair dryer. Soap, same soap with the one we have in the another Crown Hotel. Looks like this is the standard. The sink, the closet, and bidet. Tissue, bathtub, towel, amenities, biscuit, drink, fridge, the desk. This is a double bed, side table, standard Italian outlet, air conditioning, going back to the door. Evacuation route, room 127. Okay, so this is the review in the Crowne Plaza Milan Malpensa Airport in Italy, room 127. Please support my channel. Click like and subscribe to support me. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.